Whoa, hey, how you doing? If you're the type of person that types info into posts online and you've been watching videos and you've been absorbing the information for a long time and you still haven't done anything, this video is for you. How you doing, guys? It's Jamie here, and before I get into what I'm talking about today, if this is the first time on the channel, I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. If any of that's of interest to yourself, I'd invite you to hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. Now, little caveat, it's not one of those fancy channels. You're not going to see a whole bunch of really great editing on this particular space right here. But what you are going to see is around about 9+ years of me being in digital marketing and affiliate marketing and talking about some of the things that I've been through and helping other people out as I go along. Now, if you're interested in ramping up your affiliate marketing results, you're tired of struggling, what I would invite you to do is click that button below. It's a link to the program I'm one of the coaches for. It's called the Super Affiliate Accelerator. We help students build a very sustainable and powerful personal brand that allows them to sell anything online. Our students are getting some great results. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. Now, with all that out of the way, here's something, it's a bit of a phenomenon. I see it very often. One of the things that you can do online to get response from your audience is you can do what they call a bait post. Now, a bait post is quite simply a catchy headline and asking people to comment below. And it could be anything. Like one I did a while back was I was able to get leads for $1.39 to this event thing that I was running, and so that was it. You know, I've learned how to get leads for $1.39. Would you like to learn how? Or another one was related to growing my chatbot, and hey, I've managed to blow up my chatbot to over 500 subs. Do you want to learn how? Drop a comment below. So what happens is because of the social proof that tends to build on these posts, sometimes you get quite a few comments, and sometimes every now and then you see the same names pop up. Info, send me details, DM me. And the interesting thing is that I will go and I will message these people. Sure, great, yeah, I'll send it right over, check your messages, thanks. And then guess what happens? Nothing. They read the message, they don't respond, they don't take any action, and then a couple of months later, info. Great, send me the info, great, thanks, I'd love to learn how to do that, send it over. And so you go through that process again, and all of a sudden you remember, once you've sent the message, you realize, oh, hang on, it's that guy, they never respond, and they always type info into posts. Now, the relevance of all this, and the reason why I'm bringing this up is because if you're the type of person that has been searching for answers, you've tried to make this whole affiliate thing work, but you haven't taken any action, or maybe you've taken a little bit of action, but you've allowed your own psychology to get in your way. You've allowed your own limiting beliefs. You've allowed life, because it will invariably get in the way. You've allowed that to overtake your dreams and your goals. How bad do you really want it? When you're looking at those sales pages and it has the screenshots of $1,000 days or $5,000 days or $35,000 months or whatever the case may be, and you're looking at those and you're getting those emotions of, oh, that would be amazing, I would love that. And then someone like me gives you a golden opportunity to join whatever it is, and you think, nah, that's not for me. Nah, I'm just gonna keep research. I need to know more information. The truth is, you don't need to know more information. You need to get started. You need to get up off your seat, or maybe on your seat if you're standing, and get on your computer and actually start doing some work. Start making headway into what you want to do. Because the truth is, there's so much information out there, there's so many different ways to monetize, there's so many opportunities, and they're probably, like, it's one of the most amazing times in the history of mankind where you can get your message out to a huge audience in a very, very simple and cheap way, and people still don't jump on it. They'd rather get stuck in their job that they hate. They'd rather keep going down that pathway of discomfort. They, what I refer to as being comfortable in their own discomfort. And so if that sounds like you, I would strongly encourage you to take some time to self-reflect and really ask yourself, how bad do you really want this? Do you want to be able to live life on your own terms? Do you want to have that financial freedom? Or is it just the idea of it that appeals to you? You don't actually want to put in any work. You don't want to break through your own mental barriers. You don't want to grow as a human being. Be honest with yourself. Spend some time reflecting. And I think some of you might resonate with this particular message, because I'm sure there's a lot of you that are doing that and have done that. And I speak from experience. This isn't me just kind of lambasting a whole bunch of people out there, by the way. I've been down this pathway before. I've made every excuse under the sun. I had the victim mentality for a long time. And then I pulled finger and I took action, and I made it my life's purpose to make sure that I was going to fulfill my goals. And that is what I'm doing right now. Anyway, hopefully that message resonates with some of you guys out there. And if it does, then I thank you very much for being here. Like I say, if you would like to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, let me know your thoughts. And last but not least, if you would like to stop the struggle in your affiliate business and you want a framework that just plain old works, that cuts out the fluff and actually teaches you from a fundamental standpoint how to sell, how to make offers, how to brand yourself so you can build your own business, and a sustainable one at that, click that link below, check out the Super Affiliate Accelerator, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. Thanks very much.